everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on a very exciting product. This is the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. So this I know has been around for a while, but I definitely wanted to give you my thoughts and, you know, do I think it's worth it or not? So to be very honest, when it first came out, I was like, it's $549 for a hairdryer. Is it worth it? I don't know. But it's Dyson. Anything Dyson is very expensive, unfortunately. But I was also very curious to try it out because, like, you can get hairdryers for like $20. So what does this do differently that a $20 one doesn't? So yeah, this is the box that they come in. I really like the packaging. Like, yeah, I really like it. So that just slips off and then you're left with this like big white box. So the hairdryer is not in it at the moment, but it does come with different accessories like this. So I don't know what that is. Oh my God, it has like a strap for it. And then this is like instructions. Sorry, it's a bit like glary with the sun. There's a window there. But yeah, this is what the hairdryer looks like. So the pink one. Now it has the controls on the back, so it's all like buttons. Now this, one thing about this that's advertised everywhere is how quiet it is. And I definitely have to agree with that. I think I'm like too used to it to understand that how quiet that is compared to other hairdryers, because I went into someone's house the other day, they were using a hairdryer and it just felt so loud. So definitely so much quieter, which is great. Now this is what my hair looks like when I just blow dry it straight instead of using a straightener. So I basically use a brush and like a head like this and then just brush it down. So as you can see, it's quite straight. Like, I definitely feel like it looks like a straightener's been through it, but yeah, it definitely hasn't. This is just like straightened with a blow dryer. So that I feel like definitely saves time, not having to do two steps. You can just do one. It's hard for me to justify because I don't have anything else to really compare it to. I feel like it's a great product. Like, don't get me wrong. It's just the price that like makes me question it a little bit. If money is not an issue, probably this is a great product because I know Dyson has great like guarantees, so it should last a while. I'm not saying it doesn't work. Like, it definitely makes my hair a lot like flatter. There's not as many flyaways and all of that. So yeah, I do think it's fantastic. It's just the pricing that I sort of have an issue with. If this was like $100, 100%, I would be like, yes, this is amazing, go get it. Just because it's quite expensive, it's just like making me think twice about it, I guess. But yeah, great product. Dyson really do put a lot of like technology into their products, which is great, and a lot of research, so they do work. I don't know the difference between the different models, but yeah, as I said, this is the pink one, so I think this has been out the longest. And yeah, let me just show you, can just interchange the different heads that come with it. So yeah, I really like the design. I love the look of it. It's super lightweight as well and does work amazingly. Like, it really does. So I definitely recommend it, but it's just the price that's like, it's a little bit high. So I hope you found this helpful. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.